So you're not a real DJ until you use a certain program. You're not a real DJ. You don't spin discs. You're not a real DJ. You don't charge enough. You're not a real DJ. You don't meet with your clients. You're not. Are you kidding me? Really? Is that what the internet has become? A chance for us to point at others and tell them that they're not worthy to be in a profession that we're in, that they're not good enough, that they're not doing this or doing that, and all of a sudden they just are not a real DJ. Come on, really? What kind of a DJ are you? That's what you should be asking yourself. Because a DJ is a guy who jockeys discs. All right? And in the old days, disc jockeys had vinyl records and turntables. And when vinyl records went away, we all jumped on the bandwagon. Yeah, there's still people out there that use that kind of stuff, and that's okay. But because I stopped wanting to carry my records around, I'm not a real DJ? Well, I suppose the purists want to say that if you're not jockeying discs, okay. But then what about the guys using Serato out there? They've got a disc, but they're using a computer program. Are they not real DJs? This whole argument just has me irritated is all. And you can continue to have it if you want, if it's making you feel better, but that's really what I'm seeing, is people are having that argument so that they can feel better about themselves by pointing at other people and saying that they are not good enough. Why do you need to do that? Really? I mean, think about it. Why is it important for you to point at somebody else and say they suck so that you feel better about yourself? Now, you may be watching this right now and you may get all mad at me and think that I'm accusing you, but I don't know who's watching this video. I don't know. I know that many of you do it, or you've done it in the past. And it's going to continue that you do it until for some reason you decide to think about why you're doing it. Are you really in the business of defining what we do for a living? You want the definition in the book so that you have to jump out and say, okay, so I've hit the definition, so I am that. Or are you trying to make yourself feel better? Okay, trying to make yourself feel better by being something, by making somebody else not feel good? That's junior high, man. Why are we still living in junior high? Didn't you have somebody build you up so that you could be where you are today? Didn't you start out where you say other people are not real DJs, they're not good enough? You were there, trust me, every one of us was. But then there was somebody who actually looked at you and encouraged you and built you up. They did not tear you down. And people that tear you down, believe it or not, they still exist. And usually the people that are tearing other people down, they've got serious issues about themselves. They've got their own stuff going on. I feel badly for them. I can't help those people because they feel bad. Now they're going to go to junior high bullying to make themselves feel better? Come on. We are all better than that, aren't we? Thanks for listening in. This is the Creative License with Bill Herman. That's, of course, my sponsors are Electric Voice, Disc Jockey News, the Disc Jockey News Conference, which is coming up February 24th, 25th, 26th in Las Vegas. In fact, I can get you really cheap tickets. If you look below, I'll put in a code for you to buy the tickets at a much bigger discount than you would expect, okay? But come out and be a part of it. It's going to be in conjunction with the Photo Booth Expo. And my friend John Young, who has the Disc Jockey News, decided to do this. And of course, anything that John says he's going to do, I tell him I'm going to help. Also, Electric Voice speakers, best speakers in the world, and promo only, the best music service in the world. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week. Bye.